Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around of our 2018 Mercedes-Benz V250d AMG line van we have new in stock. This is a ULEZ compliant Euro 6 diesel vehicle, and I'm just going to walk you through some of the features you get on the car. To begin with, on the exterior you've got the obsidian black paintwork. The AMG line model inclusions consist of the 19-inch 7-spoke split design alloy wheels. Some of the chrome trim inserts around the car, such as the grille surround and the front splitter, also on the rear of the car and the window surrounds. You've got privacy glass as standard, LED tail lights and the LED intelligent lighting system at the front. You've got a full leather interior. You have the memory package as an added optional inclusion that gets you the full electric functions with the memory settings for the driver and the passenger in the front of the vehicle. You've also got the carbon effect dashboard as an optional inclusion as well. In the rear of the car you can see you've got the 7-seat package. That includes obviously the 5 seats in the rear of the car, the folding table where you can flip it up and get a table for either passengers in the front or the rear. It slides along the running board on the floor of the vehicle. You also get the seat nets and the additional 12-volt sockets with cup holders. You've got a lever-wrapped multifunction steering wheel in the front with multi-functions and cruise control. You've got access to your command online system on the centre console. You've got the buttons for the electric doors at the rear, as well as your dynamic driving modes. You've got your climate control functions and infotainment controls further up, as well as the ambient lighting visible on the dashboard, again with the carbon effect dash. On the centre screen, you've got access to some of your infotainment features, such as the optional DAB radio, and you've also got access to the 360 overview and reversing camera as another added optional inclusion. If you'd like any more information, would like to book a viewing or a test drive on this 2018 V250d AMG line, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.